Guys, welcome back to the Financial Entrepreneur channel. Got some great things happening right now. In about 30 minutes, the Federal Reserve will announce their interest rate decisions. We are invested correctly, but again, anything can happen. The market can shoot up or shoot down. We do have some risky trades, but we do have enough time to recalculate and reanalyze our situation. So let me elaborate. The Federal Reserve is going to cut rates, and with that being said, more than most likely, banks are going to get hit the most. When interest rates go down, banks have a harder time on their bottom line. So we are invested in Bank of America. We do own 120 puts with a 927 expiration at 29.50. We are up in this position as of right now by $1,800, which kind of explains our balance. If you guys are not familiar with what we're doing right now, make sure you guys watch the video previously to this. I will be making an update coming up. I am going to record live around 30 minutes after this recording. Stay tuned and I'll get right back to you guys. All right, guys, we're about 3 minutes away before the Fed makes their announcement. We should get a notification as soon as that happens. I do want to go over the Robinhood account real quick, kind of show you guys what's going on. So Bank of America is currently trading at 29.64. This is the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim account that we're using. Gives us a better idea with the technical analysis on what's going on. Again, I am expecting this to pull down dramatically. Let's see what happens. There is major support on the 28 line. With all that being said, it's kind of just waiting now at this point. This number here that you guys noticed, the 5,300, this is going to change dramatically, either down or up. Again, I am invested on it for it to go up while the markets go down. I do have a little bit of a security with the SPY. I do have 7 puts. This is not a lot of money. Our equity on this is $147. But again, if it does drop dramatically, this can become a couple thousand very quickly. But we have 2 minutes left. I'm just kind of waiting around, seeing what's going on. Again, guys, if you guys enjoy videos like this, I will make more on different plays. Comment below, let me know what your thoughts are. But again, let's see what happens. We are basically 2 minutes away. With all that being said, the market today is pretty much flat. It's a little bit down, not too much. Everybody's waiting for this announcement that's coming up. So with all that being said, let's see what happens. We got about 1 minute left, and things are going to change very quickly. And this over here is just another charts that I use to take a look at, and will tell us quickly what's going on. Very excited, very interesting. We're almost there. Kind of, again, anything can happen. I am showing this live. I don't want people to say, hey, you're just posting your plays, you're not really showing. I want to show you guys exactly what I thought about before I executed this trade. Again, cutting rates will hurt the bottom line. That's my expectation. Let's see what happens. This is being recorded live. We're about 1 minute away before that announcement is being made. All right, guys, let's just sit here and watch. But again, if you guys want to skip forward and you guys don't want to watch and hear me chat about nonsense, that's fine with me as well. I'll leave a timestamp on the video. You guys can take a look at. Let's see. Looks like banks are... looks like it's dropping. Not much, but let's see. It's still too early. Too early to tell. Let's see. Little spike up, going up, going down. But again, at 30 minutes from now, the 2:30 will be the major catalyst. That's when the Federal Reserve Council, Jerome Powell, is going to give his speech regarding on why he's cutting rates and all that. Let's see. This should be interesting to watch, actually. I'm actually interested, so this is very exciting on what's going on right now. Let's see what the Robinhood account is doing. All right, so the announcement came out. The Fed is cutting rates 1/4 point. This is exactly what the market expected. So these are the puts that we own. Again, highest point was around 47. Now it's at 40. Should be interesting. Let's see what the overall market's doing. Overall market is going down. At least that's what it looks like. Again, this could be a fluke. I've seen this before. It may drop down and skyrocket back up. Can't get too excited. Gotta wait. But again, our play is here, and we gotta see what the SPY does. The SPY is going down. Let's see what our SPY is doing. Let's see what the last price is. So 25 cents still. It's still moving dramatically. Bank of America is shooting up, shooting down. Let's see. Very interesting. A lot of volume coming in. Volume on the SPY is roughly, looks like 25 million. That's considerably nothing. All right, guys, I'm gonna pause the video here. I will come back around 2:30 and update you guys exactly what's going on. Stay tuned. Guys, we're basically 15 minutes in after the announcement. Still kind of crazy. A lot of stuff's going on here. The market is going down. Pretty big numbers here. I mean, the Dow's almost down 200 points. The SPY is going down, or actually SPY puts actually going up dramatically here. Again, this wasn't a big investment, but it was just a security investment. If the market does tank, we can take advantage of it. Still crazy. Again, Bank of America's all over the place. It's going up, it's going down. I have no idea what's going to happen. We got about 14 minutes left until the Fed speaks. That will definitely put a period on whatever's going on right now. Stay tuned, guys. We'll be right back. Speaking right now,
reserves regime,
and
we will over time provide a
things are looking pretty good. Again, the market is tanking down. Our Bank of America is kind of holding up. We did get out of the, let me lower this so I can talk. We did get out of the SPY puts that we sold, and we sold them for around 34 cents. That was actually a pretty good trade. Again, it was risky. It was expiring within a couple hours. So we bought this for 27 cents yesterday, and we sold them for 32 cents today. That was pretty good. Again, this is ongoing. We don't know what's going to happen. The market is tanking. Again, the only play we're holding right now is Bank of America, and this is really flatlining for us right now. Again, let's see what happens in the next 20 minutes from now or when market closes. Again, this could easily break under 28. Again, let's just see what happens, and I'll get right back to you guys. All right, guys. So basically, yeah, it didn't work out the way I thought it would. We did get out of the play. We did sell out of the Bank of America. We did take a loss, but that's okay. Again, there was no point of holding on to it. And this is kind of great that I'm sharing this with you guys because, like I said, the reward was high and the risk was low. So we did end up losing a little bit. Again, we bought these for 30 cents. I did sell out at 23 cents. And then we quickly went and buy some SPY puts. And actually, in the SPY puts, we bought them right at market close. They are up a little bit. But again, just wanted to update you what's going on. Again, these were trading around $4 before the market reversed. So again, we could see a potential drop tomorrow. The market did do a really nice pullback. And again, in reverse. So the Fed started talking right about 2 o'clock. And then it just went skyrocket up. We did sell the puts earlier that were expiring, so we did actually make a small profit on that. But overall, we are down today. The big catalyst is over. The Fed's done. Again, everything is depending on the China trade deal now. With all that being said, guys, let's see what happens tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. I do make videos daily. If you guys have any questions, comment below and I will answer them. Take care.